That's the Cala Saona Hotel at the end of the track, and I'm setting off to walk to the capital place of Formentera, which is called St Francisco. I need to walk up this track. I've walked up the track. And we'll continue to walk to the top. Now, 1, 2, 3 ways I could go. That's where I've come from. I think I'm going to go this way, towards Casa Adolfo. I'm going to take this road and hope it leads towards San Francisco. Look at the workmanship in this wall. This is the road I've walked down. Sign heading back to Cala Saona, and I'm going to walk along this road here because that one says it's a dead end. A strange man in a chair, and that's how to park a bicycle Formentera style. So I've turned right here. I'm going to take the main looking track. Vines looking very dry and sorry to me. This is a very old fig tree. Look at the amount of supports and the amount of spread that it has. There are the goats. Can you hear the bell? I've walked down this road, got to this junction. Cactus. So I'm walking down here. I can see the Savina in the distance. There's There's another very good sign here. Tells me I've got to go left to St Francesc. A sign that I've nearly reached St Francesc, the windmill. That's the windmill I've just seen. And over there, towards St Francesc, there's another windmill.